BlockDAG just hit stage 21 of its presale, and investors are already seeing 10x returns. But here's the kicker. It's still massively undervalued. Everything shared in this video is only for educational purposes. Let's dive into BlockDAG and why everybody in the crypto space is so excited about this project. We are talking about the project that they've raised over 350 million US dollars in their pre-sale of 2025 so far. BlockDAG uses proof of work and DAG solves the blockchain trilemma. They've built such a huge momentum in their pre-sale mainly because of their $2 million giveaway and the referral rewards, which are fueling massive interest to the project. Their listing is already confirmed from top-tier exchanges like MEXC, LBank, Bitmart, Coinstore, and XT. And is accessible for everyone. Mobile, cloud, and hardware mining options for the whole ecosystem. Now, the core attributes of the project is it has lightning fast. It processes thousands of transactions per second, outpacing traditional blockchains like Bitcoin. It is decentralized. With their hybrid proof-of-work consensus mechanism, it ensures extremely high degree of decentralization, and it is maintained at all times. Number 3, they have security. They have an advanced cryptography, ensures unparalleled network security and data integrity. Number 4, they are EVM compatible. And number 5, they are a drag-and-drop low-code development project. Last but not least, they offer an innovative fee structure. By joining the pre-sale of BlockDAG now, you can get the project at 0.0016 cents, and their launch price is locked at 5 cents already. So you can understand, if you buy at 0.0016 and at launch it starts at 0.05, you will get a nice upside from the beginning to your investment. And in addition to that, something really important before investing to any project is who is supporting this project. BlockDAG is powered by OpenAI, Gemini, Asus, GitHub, Google, many big players in the technology field in general and specifically in cryptocurrencies. In addition to with whom they are powered, they've collaborated already with Alex Pereira himself, a UFC champion, and Inter Milan. And they've been featured in a lot of high magazines like Bloomberg, CoinDesk, Daily Coin, Yahoo, International Business Times, and many others. Do not miss this opportunity. Buy BDAG at $0.016. You have 14 more days left with any of the most famous ways of buying the project, and wait until the launch when it starts at 0.05. Already 2.5 million users did it. Why not you? To sum up, if you're a person that is looking for their crypto investments a big upside with a great team behind and a great utility, then BlockDAG is for you. Just click the link down in the description and join the pre-sale today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click the like button, and if you have any questions, don't forget to write them down in the comments, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss any amazing videos like this one. Thank you so much, and that's all for now.